Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. It's Shruti.
And it's Jojo. This time pointing correctly. Now I'm
Yes,
back in like home base.
you've got your bearings right now.
Yes, yes.
Yay. Welcome back.
So
Just for
what all
people,
has happened
I know
between the
too much has happened. So
between
just to let people know, this is our first recording since Real Talk dropped. Real Talk
and
episode
since
1 with Krishna.
50K happened, so like
Yeah,
congratulations to
yeah.
us first of all,
Yeah.
and like big ups, Joe. Like in 1 year, little over 1 year, getting 50K, huge deal. I think it's brilliant. I think it's lovely. Keep going. And I'm so happy Real Talk has happened. I was so like, I was hooked. I was like waiting. I was like, oh, now it's gonna, now it's gonna, and through the interview, can I just tell you my personal take? Like, can I just
Okay.
like
Okay. Be nice.
first? Uh, is there any other way? But it was really nice to actually ऐसे वो होता है ना कि like आप इत्मीनान से बैठ के आप एक इंटरव्यू देखते हो जहाँ पे the person the artist that whose music you enjoy and you
Hmm.
get a full peek into his life and generally the way he thinks, not a gossipy feel of it, but more
Hmm.
like what is going on through his head when he
Yeah.
is making music or when he's thinking of something. And I think that's also what was your intention behind it. That's what you wanted to go forward with, and I think that was accomplished perfectly in my eyes, at least. So
Yay.
I absolutely loved it, and while watching it throughout, मैं सोची थी, I was like, especially when Krishna spoke about how he gets into the nitty gritties of what he's getting into and नींद नहीं आती है, and he goes
He
like full
goes
power.
over it
I was
again and
like,
again. Huh.
yeah, I was like, ये तो जोजो जैसा है. Like, because just for everyone who's watching right now, इतनी रिसर्च मैंने किसी इंसान को करते हुए नहीं देखी है जितनी जो करती है. मतलब she goes, research is like a very like shallow thing. She deep dives into it and how सब कुछ पूरा research करके, and she drives herself like really stressed. So I'm really happy that this happened. And I was like, ये तो कृष्णा भी
You
ऐसा ही
know,
है, जो भी ऐसी है.
you know how much stress goes
Yeah.
into it because I'm always calling Shruti and like, oh my god.
But overall, like, I'm just so happy Real Talk has happened. Now there is like
Hmm.
Joe added pressure, huh?
I
Whenever you've
know.
planned it, like, once in whatever, 1.5 month, 1 month, 2 months, jitna bhi, whatever you can comfortably do. Because I'm ready to wait as long as the interviews are the kind you took. Like, I would
Thank
rather
you.
wait
So
and
sweet.
get like one meaty interview and listen to it and enjoy it than
Yeah.
have like a jaldi wala interview which is just coming out
Yeah,
today.
that's no
So
fun.
take
And
time.
so
Ah,
I don't have a timeline set. I've this happened because everyone requested it, and
yeah.
I will see where I feel it to explore an artist and get to know them more, and then we'll see if it happens or not. Doesn't
Yes.
happen. Pressure
I
nahi
love
lene.
that.
That's
Yes,
that's
and I love that
telling
organic
myself.
way of going about it. Yeah, very
Yeah.
good, very good. I love it.
But now we are back,
Huh.
and we have a Krishna song. We have a Krishna
Yes,
song that everyone's been waiting and waiting because it dropped the day after I dropped the interview.
I
So
know, I
I know it
know.
was, and the thing is, because in the interview he mentioned that he has a collab coming very soon. I was like, this
Yeah,
is perfect timing that I hit
yeah.
50K on a Wednesday, and then on Thursday I dropped it, and it was just in time for that collab to drop the next day. It kind of worked out
The
perfectly.
universe planned
Yeah,
it for you. The universe
yeah.
wanted it to happen in that. Wow, I love it. I love that.
So now let's get to it because people have been waiting. We apologize for the delay, but it couldn't be helped. But let's do it. It's a high res collabing with Krishna again, and this time King Crooked is with them. And somebody messaged me saying, "आप please King Crooked का intro कर देना अपने reaction video में क्योंकि बहुत लोग नहीं जानते हैं उन्हें." To be very honest, I've not followed his work or career, but I did know who he was because last year when Eminem dropped his album, they did an interview together, and I love watching interviews. So that was a talk. It was I think an hour or something long. I watched it,
Hmm.
and he is basically he, Royce, these guys from Slaughterhouse. Eminem says that whenever they are on a track with him, he gets major anxiety. And he says in that interview, he said to King Crooked that when Royce and I know that you're going to be on a track, both of us are like, oh damn, oh damn. And he's like, I know that I'll never be able to top your verse, but the best I can do is probably match it. So
Wow,
that's how much
wow.
he looks up to King Crooked, and I'm just stoked for Krishna that he's collabing with him and they're on a track
Yeah.
together. I mean, it must be a huge deal for him. So very
And there's
excited.
another thing that we keep talking about usually, that how when for an artist, if you have good, healthy competition, someone you look up to, and then if you collaborate with them, you are pushed to bring your A game to the table.
Mm,
And which is when it's so much more fun, even as listeners for us.
yeah.
So,
from what I'm
excited.
hearing, and guys, don't give me spoilers before I've reacted to it, but a lot of people keep sending me messages and tagging me and stuff. But from what I'm hearing, it's a bars fest. So let's just.
With Krishna, when is it not? And now तो इतने बड़े-बड़े लोग like साथ में इकट्ठे, like what is going to happen? चलो
I
ठीक है,
know.
let's get into
Just
it. हाँ,
let's do it.
yes.
Chalo. 1, 2. Oops, sorry, my thing. 1, 2, 3, play. Ooh.
Oh my god.
That is.
Hey,
Is that Fred?
I don't give a damn about celebrities, all of them dead to me. Hollywood devilish, I feel the energy. People were testing me. Fuck what you said to me. Word to my memory. Keep that intensity. You lack integrity. This is my destiny. I am so heavenly. Don't want you texting me. I was depressing. Nobody that checked on me had to invest in me. I got the recipe, Mr. Krabs. I just been cooking up in the lab. I do not dance, a little dab. After a little dab. These rappers been telling these children it's cool to pop pills and the sex is appealing. The labels just pushing, they making a killing. They selling you lies. The devil is grinning. You selling yourself for some money and fame. You still end up broke. You a dummy. You lame. The realest they end up with one in their brain. You always just looking for someone to blame. People are dying, mothers are crying, government lying. I know they spying, tapping our phones, they playing with fire, pretending they God, they changing the signs. I am a lion and you are a sheep. They silence the ones that been thinking so deep. People asleep, you gotta creep before you get canceled for making a peep. People too brainwashed. I got an army like K-pop. You being used, don't run from the truth. It can be seen by Ray Charles. Ay, get back up, I never stay down. When I'm struggling, never make a sound. I swear I can go 8 rounds. Got the world as my playground. Get back up, I never stay down. When I'm struggling, never make a sound. I swear I can go 8 rounds. Got the world as my playground.
अगर मैं गिरा तो उठा, मैं पीछे ना देखूं और कभी नहीं रुकता मैं। डॉलर है नाम मिलाया इस गेम में, चेंज पर रखता नहीं खुला है छुट्टा। मैं बनाया सब कुछ ही खुद का, मैं हेटर के ज़हन में सुई जैसे चुकता मैं। देगा तू दगा तो चला तू तराजू तुला पर कभी नहीं झुकता मैं। चाहे स्पिट करूं अंग्रेजी, लौंडा मैं देसी, बदल दी सारी ये गेम। Why they be talking all crazy, then they all crazy, ask them to back up the claims. Boy, I was born in the 80s, y'all are some babies that be out playing with flames. Find me in front of your homes like 80, holding 380, ready to aim. I could just kill him with the silence, but I'm in the booth and I'm finna get violent. About to say fucking like I'm chilling in Thailand with 3 white girls killing its island. Skills infinity तो मेरे been blinded, सारे क्यों बने फिर militant minded। चीजें जो बोली मैंने गानों में वो तो मैंने करी भी है जैसे ये Dominican Islands। Got that heavy metal if they really acting gangster. Eddie Vedder with plenty cheddar might just attack and shank ya. Letting off that lead step might make a death your ass in anger. So you know my style be more rocking like it's from Casablanca. Best of thinker, your style and manga, no looted jewels. Ain't for combos, I throw more combos than Rubik's cubes. अपनी family के लिए Stanley पर मैं ना कोई Kubrick हूँ। मैं सबसे ऊपर sitting in the stupor like a Buddhist tomb.
Get back up, I never stay down.
Damn.
When I'm struggling, never make a sound. I swear I can go 8 rounds. Got the world as my playground. Get back up, I never stay down. When I'm struggling, never make a sound. I swear I can go 8 rounds. Got the world as my playground.
The world is my playground. Get up, I'ma never stay down. I'm from the era of putting that work on the Greyhound. From LA all the way to 8 Mile. We know everybody wanna be the realest with the lyrics. Till I pull up on the instrumental, hit 'em with the illest shit I ever fit in the sitting. You dealing with a killer when I look up in the mirror. It's the only competition I can see though. You all on my nuts like a speedo. Every time I do a freestyle, NFT style, did it like Beepo, put it on Revo. See no evil, I'ma keep it Tito with my G-Bro. We go put bars in your car like repo. We flow like fucking your side bitch when it's below 0. We are the cheat code. Sorry I spit too many lines. I'm just here to make your brain move, cause they paralyzing too many minds. I'm just here to make the game move. Heard the same shit too many times. High power Glock at the flower shop. Now you cowards gotta give me mine. Don't think you ain't. Bitch, I spit with colloquialisms. Focus and listen, I'm fixing to overdose and go Kobe on this one. I don't even like the flow in your written. Same bullshit a rodeo give 'em. Shoot 'em all with the long nose, so real boy, I Pinocchio victims. Come and get your neck broke to the rhythm. Ignorance, but I cloaked it in wisdom. Crack bars like dope in a prison. That's literally coke in the system. Smelling like Dolce Gabbana. Up in Benihana's, I got me a Tokyo vixen with no inhibitions. Baby, give me throat in the kitchen and blow me with no intermission. Listen.
Get back up, I never stay down. When I'm struggling, never make a sound. I swear I can go 8 rounds. Got the world as my playground. Get back up, I never stay down. When I'm struggling, never make a sound. I swear I can go 8 rounds. Got the world as my playground. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 100, 101, 102, 103, 104, 105, 106, 107, 108, 109, 110, 111, 112, 113, 114, 115, 116, 117, 118, 119, 1
playground shot at the end. Oh my god,
My God.
dude!
Oh my God.
I need to watch this again because what the hell? The last verse. Can we just rewind to the last verse again?
Sure.
I
Tell me
think
time.
it's at 3. Let's go to 2:55. 2:55.
Yep, at 2:55.
Okay,
Tell
one,
me.
1, 2, 3, play.
Got the world as my
The
playground.
world is my playground. Get up, I'ma never stay down. I'm from the era of putting that work on the Greyhound. From LA all the way to 8 Mile. We know everybody wanna be the realest with the lyrics. Till I pull up on the instrumental, hit 'em with the illest shit I ever fit in the sentence. You dealing with a killer when I look up in the mirror. It's the only competition I can see though. You all on my nuts like a speedo. Every time I do a freestyle, NFT style, did it like Beepo. Put it on Vivo, see no evil. I'ma keep it Cheeto with my G bro. We go put bars in your car like repo. We flow like fucking your side bitch when it's below zero. We are the cheat code. Sorry, I spit too many lines. I'm just here to make your brain move, cause they paralyzing too many minds. I'm just here to make the game move. Heard the same shit too many times. High power Glock at the flower shop. Now you cowards gotta give me mine. Don't think you ain't. Bitch, I spit with colloquialisms. Focus and listen. I'm fixing to overdose and go Kobe on this one. I don't even like the flow in your written. Same bullshit a rodeo give 'em. Shoot 'em all with the long nose. So real boy, I Pinocchio victims. Come and get your neck broke to the rhythm. Ignorance, but I cloaked it in wisdom. Crack bars like dope in a prison. That's literally coke in the system. Smelling like Dolce Gabbana. Up in Benihana's. I got me a Tokyo vixen with no inhibitions. Baby, give me throat in the kitchen and blow me with no intermission. Listen.
Get back up, I never stay down.
Finish. Oh my god. Okay, I have so many things to say.
Ah, begin.
Jeez.
Begin.
So I like. Let's just go to the lyrics straight away because Krishna, even Hi-Res and especially King's verse, there is too much going on. There is just
There was
too
so
much
much going
going
on that
on.
after a while I was just like, I don't think I have any whatever, it's like chota muh badi baat, like in a very huge way. So there's no way that I can say anything which can add value to this song because the song is already like another level. But the flow,
You can
the
try,
biggest
yeah.
thing that stood out for me was just the flow. One, I was enjoying it so much. It was so smooth. कब वो हिंदी से इंग्लिश में कृष्णा गया और इंग्लिश से वापस हिंदी में आया पता ही नहीं लगा. Like,
Yes. Oh my
if you
god.
just with the whole flow of it, you're
He
just
did
it is so smooth. It
so
was like
smooth.
just, and all three of them, it was such a one unit song that it didn't feel like there were three people with separate verses and everything coming in, because it was just so smooth. It was so well put together. So it was just stunning.
Yeah, like for me, it's so nice when collabs happen like this because every person on the collab has such a unique style and such unique sort of flows and cadences. They on the same beat they give you so much.
Yes.
So as a
Yes.
listener, you've got so much happening on the same music that you're just like it's like a buffet of
Yeah,
awesomeness.
yeah.
Um,
And in the lyrics, every third word was something that was connecting and making like 3, 4, 5 meanings out of it. I
Yeah.
was just like,
yeah.
"Ek minute,
I mean, for me, the hook was really nice. I think Hi-Res really does well with the hooks. We saw that in the previous song as well in Crossroads. He's just really good on the hook, and even his singing voice is really good. He had some nice truth bombs in his verse. Very real, very relatable, very nice. And then Krishna comes in. This is just my summary of it. Krishna comes in with his bilingual verse where he is dropping references to English things in Hindi, and the wordplay is happening, and the language
Yeah.
crossover is just so seamlessly done and so organically done. It's like if you're a English speaker, you'll just be like, this is very normal. But for people who are
Yeah.
not Hindi speakers, they'll kind of be lost because they'll hear the names, but they won't connect how he referred to them. Like he said
Correct.
Stanley, and then he said Kubrick and the Stanley family.
Yeah.
I think that's what the line was. People won't get what it means. And
Correct.
even that other one, I
Katie
think,
Holmes was also very nice. Standing
yeah,
outside.
but
your
I think
homes
that was in
and
English.
stuff.
There was another one which was Main Yahan. So anyway, we'll go through the lyrics.
We'll go through it. Yeah.
So let's begin. I can't wait. Get back up, I never stay down. When I'm struggling, never make a sound. I swear I can go 8 rounds. Got the world as my playground. Okay, so sorry, I went down a little bit. I don't give a damn about celebrities. All of them dead to me. Hollywood devilish. I feel the energy. people were testing me, what you said to me, word to my memory, keep that intensity. Okay. So it's very personal. You lack integrity. This is my destiny. I'm so heavenly. Don't want you texting me. I was depressed. Ain't nobody that checked on me, had to invest in me. I got the recipe, Mr. Krabs. I don't get this Mr. Krabs reference, but you kind of, I just been cooking up in the lab. I do not dance. I'm ruining this, but okay. I do not dance a little dab after a little dab. Dab means something else, no, besides just the,
Yes.
um,
Yes.
okay. These rappers been telling these children it's cool to pop pills and that sex is appealing and labels just push it, they're making a killing. Okay. So he's calling out all the the stuff in the music videos. Okay, they're selling you lies, the devil is grinning. You're selling your soul for some money and fame, you still end up broke. You're dummy, you lame. The realists, they end up with one in their brain. Oh, the real people get, yeah. You always just looking for someone to blame. People are dying, mothers are crying, government lying. I know they're spying, tapping our phones. Yes, they are. I hate that. They're playing with fire, pretending they're God. They're changing the signs. I'm a lion and you are. I'm a lion and you are a sheep. Lying. They silence the ones that've been thinking so deep. People asleep. You got to creep before you get cancelled for making a peep. I hate this cancel culture. I like his verse. There's a lot of real stuff in there. People too brainwashed. I got an army like K-pop. You're being used. Don't run from the truth. It can be seen by Ray Charles. You know Ray Charles, right? Auntie. Nice. So that was his verse. Krishna's verse. अगर मैं गिरा तो उठा, पीछे ना देखूं और कभी नहीं रुकता मैं. डॉलर है नाम, मैं लाया इस गेम में चेंज, पर रखता नहीं खुला या छुट्टा मैं. बनाया सब कुछ ही खुद का मैं, हेटर के जहन में सुई जैसे चुभता मैं. देगा तू दगा तो जला दूं तराजू, तुला पर कभी नहीं झुकता मैं. चाहे स्पिट करूं अंग्रेजी, लौंडा मैं देसी, बदल दी सारी ये गेम. Why they be talking all crazy? Then they all Swayze. That's Patrick Swayze, right?
Yeah.
Ghost. Ask him to back up their claims. So he switched very seamlessly here. Boy, I was born in the 80s. He's an 80s baby. Give me 5. So are we.
I think we're all, yeah.
Boy, I was born in the 80s. Y'all are some babies that be out playing with flames. Find me in front of your homes like Katie Holmes. Holding 380, ready to aim. 380 is a gun, right?
Should be. Sounds like
yeah,
it.
It sounds like it. I could just kill them with silence, but I'm in the booth and I'm trying to get violent. About to say Phuket, like I'm chilling in Thailand. Phuket, fuck it. About to say Phuket, like I'm chilling in Thailand with 3 white girls, Gilligan's Island. Oh my god, he went way back with this reference, like way back.
Yeah.
3 white girls, Gilligan's Islands, skills infinite. ये तो मेरे been blinded. सारे क्यों बने फिर मिल्टन माइंडेड. चीजें जो बोली मैंने गानों में वो तो मैंने करी भी है जैसे ये डोमिनिकन आइलैंड्स. Caribbean.
Yeah.
Got
Nice.
that. And then he went into, this is the bit with all the rock bands. Got that heavy metal if they're really acting gangster. Eddie Vedder with plenty cheddar. Eddie Vedder I get, but what's plenty cheddar? Might just attack and shank, yeah. But does that mean something?
But cheddar means money, right?
Okay. Eddie Vedder with plenty cheddar. Okay. Letting off that Led Zeppelin might get Megadeth, your ass in anger. So you know my style, be more rockin', like it's from Casablanca, Morocco. Nicely done. Paisa feka, ye style hai महंगा, no looted jewels. Ain't for combos. I throw more combos and Rubik's cubes. Combos are punches, no? Then Rubik's cubes. अपने family के लिए, this is the one, no? मैं अपने family के लिए Stanley पर मैं. This is what I was saying. That one in Hindi. 1 second. Blah 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 blah. Stanley पर ना मैं कोई Kubrick हूँ, मैं सबसे ऊपर, sitting in a stupa like a Buddhist tomb. Nice, huh? The stupa.
Yeah.
Bit here, but where is that second one? करीब ही है. That's the one I meant. Stanley पर नाम है कोई Kubrick, and then करीब ही है जैसे something, no, Dominican Islands. That was the one. So करीब ही है, we will get it, the Hindi speakers, but the English speakers will not get that.
Yeah.
uh, that that wordplay there. So damn, that was so good. And then King Crooked. Oh my god. So we might need Google for this one, but let's try. Uh, the world is our playground. Get up. I'm never stay down. I'm from the era of putting that work on the Greyhound. You know how many times I had to take the Greyhound when I was studying in the US. Uh, um, no, I mean, it's not bad, but it's just a pain in the ass. Going from LA all the way to 8 Mile, we know everybody want to be the realist with the lyrics. So I pull up on the instrumental and hit him with the illest shit I ever feel. His flow, man, his flow. Before I'm gonna ruin it while reading out the
It's
lyrics,
just
but
effortless. Yeah.
freaking hell. And then of course at the end, did I pull up on them on the instrumental, hit him with the illest shit I ever fit in the sentence, you're dealing with a killer when I look up in the mirror. It's the only competition I can see though. I like it. When I look up in the mirror, it's the only competition I can see though. You all are my nuts like a speedo. Every time I do it freestyle, NFT. I can't believe he had NFTs and this one on in his verse. He had this one did like Beepo, which is he's a digital artist if I'm not mistaken. And he
I don't know.
sold American digital artist, and he sold like his art for like millions in
Hmm.
with NFTs.
Hmm.
So every time I do it freestyle NFT style, they're like people put it on Vivo, see no evil. I'ma keep it G though with my G bro. We gon' put bars in your car like repo. We flow like below zero. We are the cheat code. Sorry, I spit too many lines. I'm just here to make your brain move. I like this one because they're paralyzing too many minds. I'm just here to make the game move. Heard the same shit too many times. High powered Glock at the what is Glock? Sorry, but I don't know this. It's got a
I've heard of it,
capital.
but I can't remember it. It's one of those slang things. Yeah.
Uh, okay. It's a gun. Oh, it's a gun. Okay, okay. High power Glock at the flower shop. Oh, okay. So sad. So he's calling out the thing. Now you cowards got to give me mine. Don't think you ain't spit with this part. He colloquialisms, and he went and rhymed with that. And one second, I need to count this. Look, I think that's 6 syllables or five. I could be wrong. I think it's 5 or 6. Focus and listen. I'm fixing the overdose and go Kobe on this one. I don't even like the flow in your written saying bullshit. A rodeo give him rodeo bullshit rodeo.
Yeah.
Shoot them all with the long nose. So real boy, I Pinocchio victims. Come and get your neck broke to the rhythm. Ignorance, but I cloaked it in wisdom. Cracked bars like dope in a prison. That's literally coke in the system. Spelling like Dolce Gabbana up in Benianas. I got me a Tokyo vixen and then blah blah blah. So okay, let me just count. 1, 2, 3, 4. I think like it's like half a verse, I think, with rhyming with colloquialisms.
It's
Colloquialisms.
crazy.
It's mad. It's mad. This is such a crazy verse. I just
For me, it was like a education, like a proper class. Like when I was listening to it and then we rewound and heard it again. For me, it was literally like class चल रही है और आपको सीखने को मिल रहा है. अभी चुप हो जाओ और सुनो और सीखो.
you can
Are you
see.
listening to it again? Are you listening to it
I'm
again right
trying
now?
to. I'm trying to. Yeah, while reading it, I'm trying to play it back in my head because it was so good. It was so good. It's like you can. It's like it's amazing to me how he brought such a it's a very long verse.
Yeah.
It's longer than the previous two, and he brought it to someone else's track. It's not even his own track, and it's such a mind blowing verse, right? It just shows that. I mean, I have heard that he does these weeklies, and that's how. Back in the day, about a decade ago or something, he for an entire year he did a weekly where there would be a new track uploaded every week on his website.
Wow.
And
Wow.
I think and no one has ever done that.
Yeah.
So you can that would just come from someone who just loves the craft, the process of
And
it.
it's constantly improving because once a week, if you're creating an entire track and putting it out as a weekly, like that's immense amount of practice that's gone into the craft, whether one wants to or not. Then you're bound to become what he is.
Yeah.
Like wow.
It's
That's
insane.
immense.
It's insane. I think like this is one of the best collabs I've you and I have explored on the channel since it
Yeah.
started, and it's just
Yeah.
it's just amazing to me. And I've been seeing Krishna post stuff on his Instagram, like King appreciated his verse and said, "You killed the track," and then something else he posted on his Twitter. So you can see what a big deal this is, and
Yeah,
it
yeah.
wasn't like, honestly, I felt like on the other track, Royce had a very short verse, and it was kind of like it was like he made an appearance on the track.
Yeah,
You know,
yeah,
here
yeah.
I feel like King he's just taken the track and made it his own, and
Correct.
he's given his best to the track, even though it's not his track, and he's collabing with people who
Hmm.
he maybe, I don't know about Hyrus, but he's never worked with Krishna before, so
Yeah,
he's
yeah.
still just done like his best. I mean, I'm sure there's, I won't say his best, he knows that, but he's done some insane stuff with his verse on this track. So anyway,
Yeah,
I don't
yeah.
even know what I'm saying right now. My mind is just blown. My mind is just
That's amazing.
blown. Hmm?
I also love how the whole it's called Playground, and how each of them was either sitting or doing things which to them
Hmm.
is a playground. So how that was such a flex, that sitting in the plane and doing the whole verse, because it's like, this is my playground, so this
I
is
didn't
where I
even
sit
think
and
of
do
that.
things.
That was,
I
yeah. But I
yeah,
mean, okay, this one was getting his braids, his hair braided.
done
And
sitting in a playground.
was he sitting in the playground? I didn't
Yeah,
notice. Okay.
yeah, yeah,
And
yeah, yeah.
Krishna was sitting in, by the way, Krishna's
In
look.
a studio.
Can we just talk about
Huh.
his look? Because I loved
Yes.
it. Because
Yeah.
you have the cap, and then you have
Yes.
glasses. I mean, I love glasses,
Very
right?
nice.
Anyone
Yes.
very glass, like, yeah. So that whole like
It was like his
casual
pro
yet
mode on. Yeah. Like, a very, that's what I got out of it. That it was this very, in the studio, very pro mode, very professional work mode on, but like, your casual chic look basically. And he was fully with it, like, this is my playground. I'm here to do this. मैं यही हूँ, मैं rapper हूँ, और अब मैं यही, this is how I'm going to do
is
this. So
business
yeah, like
business
it was
casuals.
business.
No,
Yes, yes.
I've always wondered what the hell is business casuals. Like, I've never got it.
It's,
And the thing
yeah,
is,
yeah,
you and I, we worked in radio, so we never wore like formal clothes ever to
yeah.
work, right? We've always been in
Yes,
casual clothes. So
yes,
it's like,
yes.
what is business casual? Anyway, I think that was business casual. Um,
Right.
full, but no, the glasses gave that whole intellectual look, which I like.
Yes.
And then King, I think, yeah, he looked like he was in a private jet, but that I
Yeah.
think that was a set. That wasn't really a jet.
Either
Um,
way, that was
the
his
way
playground. That's the thing I took out of it. That,
I
like,
like,
that's our role.
I like that you noticed that. I didn't even think of that. But lovely. I mean, kudos to them for shooting separately and putting it together, right? For making a
Yeah,
video, because I know
yeah,
Crossroads didn't have a video. It would have been nice, but you can see that
yeah,
that yeah, even King has gone the extra mile for this
yeah.
track, not just in the
And the
verse, but
message.
also in
Yeah,
shooting and
correct,
yeah.
correct. And the message behind the song, which
Mhm.
is obviously very, very evident in all three of their verses. And the whole
Mm.
song is about that, right? It is about the whole socially what is going on, and the things which are right under our nose and we don't know, and how we are being taken advantage of as as humans, and what is going on, and the behind the scenes of it, calling it out basically, because
Mm.
that's to me, that's what the song was about. That
Yeah.
where you're saying that open up your eyes, you're not just robots, you're not just somebody who can so easily be taken advantage of. So if
Mm.
you're not aware of it, become aware, open your eyes, and that's what we're here for. So in so many ways, that's what all three of them were doing, which I loved the message behind the song.
It was just everyone was being real in their
Yeah.
verses. That's pretty much how I would sum it up. That Eminem might hear this because he listens to a lot of King cooking stuff and collabs. So anyway,
But as an Indian, I'm also feeling really proud of him. Like,
yeah.
when you feel so proud of that moment when, like, as an Indian, that he's gone and done this, and it is such a good song, and like, wah, like, naam roshan karo type feeling is
Yeah,
happening.
I mean his verse is just like it's like this is bars fest, and that he's not just repped India, but he's kind of repped the language as well,
Yeah,
so beautifully. So
love it.
love it. This is kind of like a true to the craft sort of stuff, you know.
Yeah, yeah,
It's so much referencing, so much wordplay, so much switching and flow changes and all of that. It's literally, as a listener, it's a treat. It's such a treat.
yeah.
So I'm just happy. So on that note, let's stop. let's take your leave, and gonna just listen to this on loop for a few days, and yeah, check out Miss Bola's
Yes.
channel. It's linked below. Some real
Thank you.
stuff being podcasted there, and we'll see you now in the next one. Live long and prosper.
Bye.